iPhone SE 2020 was a great compact phone having powerful A13 Bionic chip with a price tag of $399. Apple is working on iPhone SE 3, which is rumored to have two big things: 5G connectivity and A15 Bionic chip. That's the same chip that powered the iPhone 13. iPhone SE 3 will not only be good in performance but will also provide improved photography and longer battery life. Rumors suggest Apple might stick to the same design as current iPhone SE, but iPhone SE 3 will be a great deal because of 5G connectivity and longer battery life. We have heard that there will be an iPhone SE Plus, which may or may not be the same as the iPhone SE 3. Some rumors suggest that it will be a larger, affordable iPhone, but we don't know exactly if it's iPhone SE 3 or not. Right now, we don't know whether Apple will release two new iPhones, the larger one and the smaller one, or not. We just have to wait a bit to know more about the upcoming iPhone SE 3. Couple of rumors suggest that iPhone SE 3 might arrive in the first quarter of 2022, so you can expect the release date just before the March of 2022. That approximately about 2 years since the iPhone SE 2020 launch, the recent rumors have emphasized that the iPhone SE 3 is reportedly on track for a release early next year, as the phone prepares to undergo trial production. This is the final phase before the phone's design is finalized and mass manufacturing begins. Interestingly, Apple analyst Ming Haikyu claims that Apple plans to release a new iPhone SE model with a bigger display in 2023. We don't know anything about price of iPhone SE 3, but what I think is Apple might stick to that $399 price tag. Because for iPhone SE 2020, the performance provided with such price tag was the reason why so many people bought that smartphone. It will be a wrong move for Apple to increase the price. According to one report, the iPhone SE 3 would cost $3499 yuan, approx $542. That appears to be a huge price to all of us. Well, currency conversions are not so accurate. Let's see what will happen and let's hope for good. So far, we don't know much about the iPhone SE 3 specifications, but according to one report, the next iPhone SE will be powered by A15 Bionic chipset. This is the same chipset that powered the iPhone 13. As a result, iPhone SE 3 might possibly be the fastest low-cost phone in the market. Another significant improvement rumored for the iPhone SE 3 is 5G connectivity. Google already has a cheap 5G phone that is the Pixel 5a. iPhone SE 3 can be a great competitor for it. There is no news about camera system, but for iPhone SE 2020, it featured a single lens, but still, it was able to take some great photos thanks to Apple for their computational photography. It would be great if Apple add an ultra-wide or telephoto lens. Implementing night mode in iPhone SE 3 can result in better night photography, and also, it will then better compete with Pixel 5a. Upgrading the front camera can also result in some better shots, as the front shooter is still stuck at 7 megapixels in iPhone SE 2020. The biggest weakness of iPhone SE was the battery life. iPhone SE lasts 9 to 10 hours. I hope A15 chip will help the iPhone SE 3 to last longer than the previous iPhone SE. iPhone SE featured the same design as the iPhone 8. It was a great way to save the manufacturing cost, but this design seems outdated as compared to newer smartphones. Unfortunately, iPhone SE 3 will feature the same design as the iPhone SE. There's a 4.7-inch display with thick bezels and a physical Touch ID button. We hope that's not the case, but analyst Ross Young supports this claim. He claimed that the iPhone SE Plus will include a 4.7-inch display and 5G connectivity. He claimed that's the name of the upcoming iPhone SE. According to sources, the device under trial production looks similar to the existing iPhone SE. The iPhone SE 3 concept renders shows this device as a redesigned iPhone XR with Face ID through a display notch, replacing the Touch ID equipped home button. This design is clearly more appealing, but we would be eager to see if Apple didn't go in a different way, such as using punch-hole selfie camera and embedding a fingerprint reader in the iPhone's power button, as seen on the iPad Air 2020. That's all we know about the upcoming iPhone SE, iPhone SE 3, or it may be the iPhone SE Plus. We don't know anything more about this device. Keep tuned for more information, and if you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below. It motivates me to make more content. That's all for now. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. My name is Hamza Mukhtar. We'll host a new video soon. Till then, take care.